Living in a place like this comes with its own challenges. Being close to others every day means we have to look out for each other, especially when it comes to staying healthy. It's important to understand how infections spread and what we can do to prevent them. This video will share simple but effective ways to protect yourself and those around you, like proper hygiene, keeping shared spaces clean, and knowing what to do if you feel unwell. By taking small steps together, we can make a big difference. Let's take a look at how we can all help prevent infections inside the prison. So, what is an infection? An infection happens when germs like bacteria, viruses or fungi enter the body and start to multiply. Some infections are mild, like a common cold, while others can be more serious. The good news is that many infections can be prevented by taking the right precautions. How do infections spread? They can spread in different ways, but here are the most common ones. Through the air, when someone coughs, sneezes or even talks, tiny droplets can carry germs that others breathe in. Through direct contact, like doorknobs, tables or shared items like towels, razors or electric shavers. Skin-to-skin contact, such as shaking hands, can spread infections too. Through contaminated food and water, or through open cuts or wounds. If you have a cut or scrape, germs can enter your body and cause an infection. That's why it's so important to keep wounds clean and covered until they heal. So how to prevent infections? Even though we live in a shared environment, there are simple ways to reduce the risk of getting sick. First, wash your hands often. Soap and water are your best defense. Wash your hands before eating, after using the bathroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Cover your mouth and nose, and use your elbow or a tissue, and then wash your hands. Keep your space clean. Wipe down shared surfaces and avoid clutter where germs can build up. Avoid sharing personal items like razors, electric shavers, towels and cups, and use your own whenever possible. Try to keep a little distance from sick people until they feel better. Sometimes, even when we do our best, we still get sick. The key is knowing the signs of infection and acting on time. Symptoms depend on the type of infection, but common signs include fever or chills, coughing or difficulty breathing, skin redness, swelling or pus, stomach pain, diarrhea or vomiting. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them and consult the doctor. So if you start feeling unwell and you do get sick, what to do? Send a note. The staff can help you get medical attention. Rest and drink plenty of water. Your body needs energy to fight off the infection. To prevent spreading germs, try to keep some distance and cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. And lastly, but not least, follow medical advice. If you're given a medication or instructions by a healthcare provider, follow them carefully. So, for you to remember, taking care of your health means taking care of each other. By following these simple steps, we can reduce the spread of infections and make our environment safer for everyone. Small actions like washing your hands, covering coughs, and keeping things clean go a long way. If you ever feel unwell, don't hesitate to ask for help. Staying healthy is a team effort, and together we can make a big difference. So stay safe and take care.